Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Giants Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a giantsbank.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Giants Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on it. At the login form page, you provide your username and password, then click on sign in where you will get directly logged into your online banking account of Giants Bank. As we are going to recover our password, you need to click on the link given that is need help. Reset personal password or ID. Here you scroll to the little down. There you can see forgot password. You click on it. Here, to reset your password, you need to provide your username. Then you go in for providing a registered email address or your phone number. Then you need to click on I am not a robot checkbox. Now, after you fill up all the details, you need to click on submit where you will be redirected to another page that is destination, following with the enter passcode, then verification, and you go in for creating a new password. Then you will be able to reset your password. Now, similarly in the username, here at the username help, you need to click on forgot username. Now here to recover your username, first of all you go in for providing your card number. Then you go in for providing your PIN number. Then you provide your last 4 digits of social security number. After you provide all the details, you need to click on the checkbox I am not a robot. Then you click on submit where you will be redirected to another page that is destination, and following with it that is enter passcode where you need to provide a passcode. Then you will be able to recover your username. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover the online banking account password of Giants Bank. Thank you.